When a beneficiary is a person rather than an organization, ZetaFisc captures a full profile, like a staff record, with a passport photo. From the Donations menu we open Beneficiaries and add one. Choosing Individual opens the full personal profile. We fill it all, contact details, then date of birth, gender, marital status, nationality, occupation, and household size. Then the next of kin, name, relationship and phone. Every field complete, we save the beneficiary. Now we open the beneficiary and add a passport photo. We upload the photo. It accepts an image up to 5 megabytes. The photo is saved to the profile. An individual beneficiary now reads like a full staff record, passport photo, personal details, and next of kin, all in one place.